Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best nail gun for crown molding? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose nail gun for crown molding with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right nail gun for crown molding. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Kemo 20V 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. This list starts with a unique cordless brad nailer. Nailers are the best tools for crown molding, but some prefer staples for light installations. Whatever you fancy, you can take your pick with this 2-in-1 Kemo cordless brad nailer and stapler. This dual tool has much to love, but let's begin with the fasteners. This crown molding nail gun can hold 18 GA size nails between 3/4 and 2 or 18 GA staples of 3/4 and 1/5, which is more than adequate for most installations. As a pro, I love the dial actuation mode of sequential and contact nailing. The contact actuation allows me to shoot up to 90 nails per minute, which is way more than I ever need for crown molding. However, you will probably need this nailer for other projects, so it's worth having. Kemo has also provided front-positioned LED lights to ensure you always hit the right spot. There is also a depth adjustment feature to ensure the nails only go as deeply as they ought. Finally, a second LED indicator on the side warns you that when the battery is low, you're out of nails, or it is overheating on rare occasions. My only problem is that this nail gun for crown molding is heavy, so it is best to use it in small spaces. Number 2. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. I have noticed that Porter Plus Cable has a great reputation for nailers, and their crown molding nail gun is no exception. The bold color design was one of the first things that stood out to me. It's a refreshing change from the plain colors of other nailers. The motor runs on a standard 20-volt lithium-ion battery. The 4.0 Ah battery is impressive, firing up to 1,300 2-inch brad nails, 18-gauge nails, on a single charge. Even with its lightweight design, it is still heavier than a pneumatic nailer. That is to be expected. The advantage is that it does not require a large, noisy compressor. It has convenient features like a flashlight, a depth adjustment wheel, and an LED indicator for the battery. This nailer for crown molding is speedy, discharging nails faster than many pneumatic finish nailers. It is also quieter than most machines, and clearing a jam is simple, although it is not likely to happen frequently. It would have been even better if it came with a carrying case and a warranty of at least 5 years instead of a 3-year limited warranty. Number 3. Makita AF601 Finish Nailer. Now, we get back to gorgeous looking nailers made by household brands. Makita makes a lot of nailers for professionals, and you would be happy with any of them, but I decided to go with the most popular model. The 16GA straight finish nailer has a sleek, slender look and is made of magnesium, making it lightweight yet sturdy. At 3.8 pounds, this is one of the lightest nailers on my list, making it perfect for a long day of fixing crown molding. Using a sequential or contact actuation, I realized I could fire 1/6 finish nails as long as 2 1/2. There is also a depth adjustment dial and a quick jam release button. One handy feature that I enjoy the most is the built-in air duster. This handy addition is great for getting rid of debris. In addition, the Makita AF601 has a nail lockout feature, a great safety option all nailers should have to reduce accidental fires and injuries. With the No-Mar tip, this nail gun lets me get as close to the wood surface as possible. However, this No-Mar trip isn't always reliable, so I must check it before use. Despite the friendly price, Makita provides a tool case, oil, and safety goggles. It has a 3-year warranty, which isn't great but is better than average. Number 4. Ryobi 320 Airstrike. I was impressed with the Ryobi Airstrike, which I think has the coolest name of any brad nailer I have ever seen. But it's not all talk, this device is a phenomenal tool that exceeded my expectations. This nail gun uses an 18-volt lithium-ion battery instead of the more common 20V used in most cordless models. This surprised me. However, do not let the smaller battery fool you, it can still fire up to 1,700 nails on a single charge. The Airstrike uses 18 GA brad nails up to 2 long, perfect for crown molding. The Nomar tip ensures a flush look without damaging the work surface. And with the LED flashlight and low nail indicator light, you'll always be able to see what you're doing. Ryobi Airstrike provides both sequential and contact actuation. This is the one thing that sets it apart from its competitors. It is a bit heavy, but with the included belt clip, you can take a break and let your arms rest. With a 3-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're making a smart investment in a quality tool. Number 5. Metabo HPT Finish Nailer Kit. Next up, I have a 15 GA angles finish nailer with high hopes of competing against the Bostitch, and it comes close. This is an award-winning nail gun from Metabo, one of the easiest and prettiest guns. First, I like the sharp silver color, but its lightweight and easy maneuverability. At just 4.2 pounds, you won't get frustrated with this installing crown molding and every other type of trim work. As mentioned earlier, it uses 15 gauge nails, which are between 1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inches long, the ideal range for your projects. The acute angle on this nail gun makes it easy to get into very tight corners without obstructing your view or causing you to fire nails in the wrong place. There is also a toolless depth adjustment dial and a Nomar tip. When firing nails, you can choose between sequential and contact actuation, which makes using this fun. You can also enjoy this for a long time, given the 5-year warranty and the solid build material. Number 6. DeWalt Finish Nailer 16 GA. This list wouldn't be complete without a DeWalt. I was torn between this straight 16 GA finish nailer and the angled 15 GA finish nailer, but I gave this the nod at the last minute because this is slightly lighter and uses slightly thinner nails. I like this DeWalt nail gun for crown molding because it's lightweight at just 3.9 pounds. This means I can work on larger projects without straining my hands. It also has an adjustable belt hook, which conveniently keeps the nail gun within reach. With this nail gun, I can fire 1 inch to 2 1/2 finish nails, and DeWalt includes 1,002-inch nails, which is perfect for most crown molding projects. I appreciate that the trigger actuation is sequential firing, and I can easily adjust the depth of nails using a dial near the trigger. The Nomar pad and carrying case are also nice touches. My favorite thing about this nailer is the sealed lube dual tech, which allows me to use oilless or oiled. I don't have to worry about oiling it whenever I want to use it, which is a huge time saver. The only thing I'm not thrilled about is the 3-year warranty, although it's still better than average. This nail gun is excellent for crown molding, and I highly recommend it. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.